Kani kadai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke Rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ke Jyoti Sroat School, kebaran halai mukra Shillong, hak santarik mentau benai no pra arzakat kendai. Kala penhap no ya kelama, jong ke Jingrakhe ya ke jingdap arpusan senam, jong ke sekolah. Kebalong ru ke jaka pule ke bakedup lang hi kena ki babiang pura ke met kepat bat kitu ki badan jingduda haki dikhat men. Hakan ni kesngi lai don rengkat ru menteri sarkar bakmi ikatnat ke pule putih ke jela ubak lak men remboi ke mukongsan kat ba ke MLA jong ke Shillong East Constituency ke Dr. M. Ampurin Lingdo kalalong kum ke sembut kongsan. Lasdangi ki program hakan ni kesngi Pynkut no ya kini ke Jubilee da ke jingkran pediang sobha ya ki nangwan ni shimenta syakani ke jingelang dau Executive Director jong ke Bethany Society Ukarmo Narona. Both parts sa kajing ay jingkran na ka headmistress jong ka Hope Center Presbyterian Upper Primary School na ka Shnong Pasi West Gentiles District kakong Phiri Yoda Rembay. Bat na ka way ni kinuhikay jong ka Pioneer SSA School na ka Shnong That Muthlong West Gentiles District kakong Meris Suchiang. Bat hakani ka jelang laplat pai baru ya ka kot pensa kan mau ya kani ka Jingrakhe ya kani ka Jubilee Rupa kabala ay kerteng ka Jyoti Sroat School Jubilee Souvenir. Lapan sangkon cucu ia kini kejelang di Jingruai bat jingshan nak kena jong kini ke skol bat nak skol ki bana rilom jantia.
Jyoti Sroat is an institution that not just takes care of children who are differently abled, but I personally know that Jyoti Sroat is an institution which makes sure that even a child who is out of school comes back to mainstream education. So many kids in my constituency, Madam Rosa has personally helped. Kids that have grown up in broken families, kids that have grown up in a family where parents do not see the value of education. And I want to take this opportunity to thank Madam Rosa for walking that extra mile and pulling every child back who's not in the education system back to the education system. And I'm very, very happy. And I wish that I could do more. I wish that both my husband and I could contribute much more. And we want to commit as a family to this cause, and we would like to make ourselves available for you to allow us to participate and partner in a good program which is going to build this nation and this state forward.
It is up to us, up to the society to look and bring up that uniqueness in each one of our child. It is this uniqueness in each and everybody make this world a wonderful place. It'll be more wonderful, it is more wonderful because we have this type of society, the Bethany Society. It is more wonderful because we have the Jyoti Sroat schools. It is more beautiful because we have the farsightedness of Norna, the managing committee of Bethany Society, the faculty, not only of this school, and also those schools all over the state, and most importantly, our dear children. Your work not only bring inclusive to this student, you give them hope, you give them the platform to shine, the platform to show what it is there in them. You are also, your work brings smile to the parent at home. I know many parents, they feel that God, sometimes it is biased to them. Why? their children could not see, or why their children could not speak, or why their children could not walk properly. Your work brings smile to them that they are not disabled, but they are unique children of their home. So this, your work, enable the government, enable the policymaker to think. Because it is useless for for the government to frame the policy. We have seen many policy comes and goes, and many policy is only remain a piece of paper. But if we have a society, if we have a dedicated people like you here, it is a pride. We in the government can take forward what it is there. Your partnership with RACE not only enable you to grow, but to reach out to the different part of the state. I have seen the student, the children from Giant Hills, how they perform. What is the uniqueness? When I see here, I sit there, I see they are not different. The motto which you teach them that they are unique. So this will take forward. And what on this platform, I want to give to the people that I may not have the ability to teach these people, these children. I may not have the ability to raise these children, but I have. Let us support this type of endeavor. Let us support in whatever way we can, so that the children or future children that could live, could feel the beauty of the nature. Let us take our children, every children, as the gift of God, which it is up to us how we will give the platform, how they will grow. We'll give them the opportunity. On behalf of the education department and the government, we will try to ensure that the platform for the children should be there for everybody in this state of Meghalaya.
Young